We'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs Multistream. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option on the lower left corner of the screen and click it. In the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Multistream. Click on that and you'll be taken to the Multistream setup page. Here, you'll need to link your accounts. The primary account will likely be your main streaming platform, such as Twitch or YouTube. Click Add Destination and choose the platforms you want to multi-stream to, such as Facebook or any other supported service. You might need to log in and authorize Streamlabs to access these accounts, so have your login details ready. Now, you can configure your stream settings. Adjust the title, description, and tags for each platform to optimize your reach. Once everything is set, click on Go Live in the main dashboard. Streamlabs will automatically start streaming to all the platforms you've linked. Make sure to monitor your stream health on each platform from the Streamlabs interface. It's a good idea to test your multi-stream setup in advance to ensure everything runs smoothly. Multi-streaming allows you to reach a wider audience and engage with viewers across different platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.